Do not tell my next guest that silver is the poor man's gold. Joining me now is Lennox Rodriguez. He's the CEO of Orcana, major silver producer. Lennox, thank you so much for being with me.
Thank you for having me, Daniela.
So you were a speaker here at Gold Stock Analyst Day in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Tell us, why do you get so upset when people tell you silver is the poor man's gold?
Well, silver is a strategic metal. It has some of the qualifications of gold. I mean, it can be a reserve value, but it also has a value of exchange. Everything goes down the drain. You can exchange your silver values easier than gold, okay? But not only that, it's a strategic metal. Use it in all modern conveniences. And this misnomer, which is derogatory for this strategic metal, calling it poor man's gold, I think it should be changed. Really is the smart man's gold.
Smart man's gold. So obviously you're bullish on silver. Where do you see the prices headed?
Well, just think from what I've seen that it's becoming more and more important for more conveniences and the value that it has, retaining value. I think that silver should test the $40 mark this year. Okay, $40 mark this year. So silver usually follows gold's trend, though, and gold's suffering a little bit now. Does that concern you? Well, as I was mentioning, silver by now, 54% of its use is industrial use. So it gives you a hedge. I mean, if monetary conditions are good, well, gold is going to be good. But in our case, it has these two aspects. It has industrial metal and it's precious metals. So one hedges the other one. I think it's a smart man's gold. So, Lennox, let's talk Orcana now. The majority of the silver you're producing, you're exporting to where? Well, we have all our silver pre-sold. We produce 3 types of concentrates at La Negra: copper, zinc, and lead. And those are pre-sold at market prices 4 years in advance. And at Chapter, we're producing silver doré bars, which are also being sent to the refiner. What's up and coming at Orcana? What should we be paying attention to right now? Well, our growth profile. I believe that we have the highest growth profile of any of our peers. We increased 42% of production this past year. Chapter is ramping up. We should be able probably to double our production this year, increase it close to another 50% next year. And at full installed capacity, we can become 8 to 10 million ounce silver producers, and we are on our way to becoming a senior silver producer just with organic growth, without any more investment. All our capital expenditures has already been done. When do you expect to hit the senior producer title? Well, if we reach 5 million ounces this year, I think that would give us a senior producer title. You mentioned in your presentation that basically everything could shut down for 2 years, but you'd still be able to make profit. Explain that a little bit. Well, if everything shut down at La Negra, we're ready to keep on mining for 2 years. I mean, we have already that availability today at La Negra. La Negra is also increasing production very significantly this year, and we have wonderful results on the exploration that we're going to be reporting very soon. Okay, what's your Capex? It's about $6 to $8 million in every mine. Okay, and what's the mine life there? Oh, the mine life at La Negra today at current rates about 30 years, which for an underground mine is really unheard of. Okay, excellent. Final thoughts on silver, Lennox? Well, try to get some. Thanks so much. We'll see you at PDAC. Thank you for being with me. Thank you very much, Daniela. And thanks for watching our continuous coverage from Gold Stock Analyst Day here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We'll have more videos for you on Kitco.com. Thanks for watching. I'm Daniela Cambone.